Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to block a number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. Now from here you can see a spam number. If you want to block this number, just tap on it, then tap on this icon. Here at the bottom you can see block option. Now just tap on block and then tap on block again, and we have just blocked this number. Here you can see this icon, it means that the number is blocked now. Now if you want to block a contact, just go to contacts. Now from here select any contacts that you want to block. If I select this contact and then tap on this icon, then tap on more, then tap on block contact and then tap on block again, and we have just blocked this contact. Here you can see this block icon. Now if you want to unblock this number or contact, go to phone app again and then go to contacts, then tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here tap on block numbers. Here you can see the number and contact that you have blocked. Now if you want to unblock this number and contact, just tap on this minus icon and the number and contact is unblocked now. And that is how you can block a number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.